Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to potentially get a Roblox mod menu on iOS. It is important to know, right away, that using third-party modifications can expose your device to serious security risks, like malware or data breaches. Furthermore, these actions typically go against the game's official terms of service, which might lead to permanent account suspension. Always proceed with extreme caution and full awareness of the potential consequences. This guide is for informational purposes only, highlighting the theoretical process and associated dangers. When you install an unofficial mod menu, you are essentially opening your device to unknown software, which might contain malicious code. This could lead to your personal data being stolen or your device becoming unstable and slow. More importantly, Roblox has a clear policy against such modifications, and detection will almost certainly result in a permanent ban of your account. It is a serious risk to both your device security and your access to the game. To minimize risk, first, ensure you have a complete backup of your iOS device. This is your safety net in case anything goes wrong. You should also check your device's operating system version for compatibility with any tools you might consider. Having adequate free storage, perhaps around 2 GB, is also important for the process. Remember, using a secondary or entirely new account for testing is always a safer approach to protect your main gaming progress. The conceptual process usually involves obtaining a modified application, known as an IPA file, from an external source. You would then use a third-party tool, often a desktop application, to sideload this file onto your iOS device. This method bypasses the official App Store. Sometimes, you may need to adjust device settings to allow installations from unverified developers. Always prioritize downloading files from trusted communities, though even then, inherent risks remain due to the unofficial nature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.